Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys, this collection, this box is ginormous. It is literally so big. Today, we are going to be playing around with the brand new Colourpopland Collection. See this? I was shook. So this is the new Colourpop Candyland collection, and it's called Colourpopland. This collection launches on August 13th, this Thursday at 10 a.m. PST. I finally have my code back from Colourpop. If you guys missed my last video, I talked about it there. But if you guys want to save 10% off the Colourpop website, you guys can use my code, which is just KATRINA. I'll put it on the screen. I hope it works on this collection. You guys can try it. I'm not exactly sure. Sometimes there are some exclusions, but it doesn't hurt to try it. So leave that in the description box for you guys as well. So it says, in collaboration with Hasbro, one of our favorite childhood board games, Candyland, introducing our newest collection, Colourpopland. I feel like this kind of came out of like nowhere. Like I was not expecting this at all. If anything, they've been hinting a lot of Animal Crossing stuff on Twitter. I'll don't come out with an Animal Crossing collection like immediately, I might lose my mind. So just saying, they should do it. This, I was not expecting it, but I was very, very pleasantly surprised because I love Candyland. I'm an only child, so I didn't grow up playing a lot of board games because I had nobody to play them with. But there was one game that I actually did have in my house, and it was Candyland. So that was the only game I really ever played growing up. So this is very nostalgic for me. The entire collection is so cute. So I'm going to be doing swatches, tutorial, all that good stuff. I'm going to be showing you guys the products. So let's get into it because there's a lot of stuff in here. Also, they threw in the PR box like an actual Candyland board game, and there's like little like game pieces and stuff. I'm so excited. I don't know who I'm going to play it with, but I'm going to play it eventually. First thing we have in this collection is the palette, and this is the Candy Castle palette. Include close-ups because everything's pretty like pastel. It's kind of hard to show like on camera. So this is the palette, and then you open it up and this is what it looks like. Lots of pastels in here. Super, super cute. And it says that this 10-pan eyeshadow palette features pops of sweet pastels, matte and metallic finishes to create a dimensional candy coated look. I love the size of these like 10-pan palettes. I think that they fit really nicely in like my storage and everything. So I don't have pricing of anything at the moment, so when I find that out, I'll leave it in the description box for you guys, but at the moment I'm not exactly sure. So that is the palette. Next thing we have are 3 Super Shock cheeks. It says, oh so sweet, 3 brand new swirled blushes with a radiant finish. So the blushes have this like really cute bright pastel yellow packaging, and these are all tie-dyed blushes, which I love because it has like some of that shimmer in there. They smell so good. It smells like fruity candy. I love it. It smells divine. We have Gummy More, Jolly, and Gumdrop Pass. Gumdrop Pass is like more of like a purpley pink. Gummy More is like a more pinky, warm pinky tone. Jolly is more like an orangey tone. So next we have a roller gloss. Like we haven't seen a roller gloss since the Becky G collection, if I'm not mistaken. I don't think we've had any since then. So this is what the packaging looks like. The Princess Loli roller gloss, and it says, inspired by the sweetest in all of Candyland, this new roller gloss creates a high shine in a clear lollipop flavored gloss. It has like a pink packaging with some like lollipops all over it. It's so cute. It's like roller glosses. It's very nostalgic. I feel like it's perfect for this collection. We also have some more new products in this collection as well. We have the new Glowing Lip Balm. This packaging is really cute. I don't remember anybody's name from Candyland, but it has this little guy on there. This is what the actual product looks like. It's like in this really pretty light pink metallic packaging. It says that these are a brand new hydrating tinted lip balm that adds a lip loving moisture with a pop of glossy color. When I swatched them, they are a little bit sheerer than like the Just a Tints, if you guys were wondering. Just a Tints do have more pigment to them, so these are a little bit more on the sheer side. Let's Chill, Peppermint Frost, and Mr. Mint. Let's Chill is more of a like pinky purple kind of color. Peppermint Frost is more of like a lighter pink. Mr. Mint is more of a like orangey corally color, and I'm not sure of pricing on those, but I'm sure they won't be too pricey. Next we have the Queen Frostine Pixie Puff Highlighter. I can't remember exactly what collection it was, but we have seen this before. Highlighting poof is back, inspired by the Icy Queen herself. Get glowing in this warm champagne shimmer. And it comes with a little puff. It's really, really cute. I love the packaging on this. If you're somebody that likes these kind of like puff thingies, this is perfect for you. The last thing in this collection is the Feeling Plumpy 4th Ray Face Milk Set. These are little minis of some bestsellers. Moisture Boost or 3 with our face milk kit with our best-selling ingredients, coconut, watermelon, and papaya. You guys know the coconut is my absolute favorite face milk. I was really excited to see that one in here. I can never have enough of those. Have tried these before. The face milks are just like a really nice like I use it as a daytime moisturizer, but you can use it like however you want. Yeah, so that is everything in this collection. It's so cute and it's just kind of makes me miss my childhood. Especially in these times, I wish I could be a child again. Said I will leave all the info and everything down in the description box. And yeah, once I find out pricing and stuff, I will leave that down below as well. If you guys want to see how I got this look right here and to hear my final thoughts on the collection, then just keep watching. So we're gonna hop right in to the palette. They're all very, very like light pastel shades, except for like a couple. And there are some like darker shades. I don't really want to go on the darker side. I am gonna stick to the more pastel shades. Take Rainbow Trail, which is the green. It's this shade right here. It's like a pastel green. It's on the outer corner. Or not even the outer corner, just like the outer half of my eye. This is very, very pastel. And I'm packing this shade on first and then I'll kind of blend it out. But I really want that color to be there. Kind of go around the edges after. Being like a pastel like that, it's actually pretty pigmented. Like I said, I'm keeping that mostly on the outer part of my eye. I feel like this look might be a little simple, but it's fine. You can still do a simple look and it still be impactful. So that's what I like to do, especially when it comes to pastels. I feel like I like more simple pastel looks. Take a flat brush and I'm gonna go into Cravings. Yeah, Cravings, which is the yellow. I'm a little nervous for this shade because it's a very light yellow. And you know, I probably should have used like a white base, but it's fine. I'm gonna pack this on. I'm packing this on, oh, you know what? It's pretty pigmented, I wasn't expecting that. I'm packing this on the first half of my eye and I'll blend that into the green. Ooh, this is cute. This is giving me like very pastel Sprite colors. Clean that up a little bit. I'm gonna go in with a clean brush to blend out the edges. Sometimes when I use pastel shades and I don't use a white base, I get a little nervous because obviously pastels show up a lot better on like a white base. But they're actually packing on really nicely and they are blending out fine. The primer that I'm using is the e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer. A little bit more of that yellow on my fluffy brush, just to kind of blend out the edges. I take that yellow, whatever was left on the brush, I'm gonna start blending that into the green. Going back with Rainbow Trail to kind of like re-intensify it and add it and blend it into the yellow. I think that's all I'm gonna do for the top. I probably will add some more colors to my lower lash line. So I'll do my base really quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just did my base, like foundation, concealer, all that stuff, and while I was doing my base, I have such a habit of just like doing my base really fast and I forgot that there was blush in here and I applied blush, but we're gonna apply more blush anyways. The blush I did apply already was the blush from the Wild Nothing collection. This one was the pink one on the Horizon, but we're gonna add some more because why not? I'm gonna use Gumdrop Pass, which is like more of a purpley pink one. By the way, these blushes smell so good. They smell like fruity candy. I don't know, they're really cute. I'm using a Colourpop F9 brush. Do they even still have these brushes? I don't even know. So let's see, I'm just gonna apply some more. This one's like a pinky purpley blush. I'm so sorry, you guys. I'm literally the worst. I'm usually pretty good with remembering like the products, but I think I was just like doing my base really fast and it just went over my head. But I can see like the color of this one, so it's fine. I mean, I'm sure you guys, I included swatches anyway, so it's fine. Probably gonna look crazy with a lot of blush, but it's fine. I can definitely see the pinky purpley more now, like on top of the other blush. Shimmery blush too, like because it has that tie-dye in there. Has some of that highlight in there, so there we go. Yeah, I mean, I feel like you guys can see the color, right? You have the Pixie Puff highlighter. I know that these are usually pretty glittery and I usually just use these on my body, so I don't think I'm gonna apply this on my face. I'll apply this like on my body, but I'll do that after because I want to do the lower lash line. Taking Grandma Nut on my lower lash line on the outer part. This one's like a more mauvey pink. Then I'm gonna go in with Plumpy, which is the shimmery like purple in here. Just taking that on the inner half of my lower lash line. Takes Sugar High, a bright, ooh, I love a bright inner corner. I'm actually gonna take a little bit of that shade, just like a tad. I'm taking some on the brush onto the lid, just to kind of make this yellow have a little bit more shimmer. Apply some of the body highlight. Just gonna puff this on my chest. These are always super cute. I mean, obviously it's like a very fun collection, so I think this is like perfect for it. And I just like to apply this to my chest. This is actually really pretty. And I feel like it actually shows up a lot on camera when usually they don't. So this color is actually really nice. Ooh, I like this. But let me apply some to my face. This is still pretty glittery. I know most people won't take this on their face, but... Ooh, okay. Actually, you know what? It's not... I mean, it's glittery, but it's not that glittery. Like, it's glittery, but it doesn't look that bad, right? I'll apply my lashes really quick and then we'll do the lips. So I went ahead and applied my lashes. I actually really like this highlight. Like, while I was applying my lashes, I was like, wow, my highlight looks pretty good. Okay, we have these new glowing lip balms, which, girl, I am winning with all the tinted lip balms lately. Right up my alley. You guys know I love tinted lip balms. I just did a video on the Fenty tinted lip balms. So I'm using the shade Let's Chill. This one's more of like a rosy pink color. I want to see how pigmented this is first. Ooh, it smells like minty. I wanted to add a little bit of color because I'm going to go in with the Princess Loli Roller Gloss. We haven't seen a roller gloss since the Becky G collection, right? Very exciting. Oh, actually, this is like more of a clear gloss too, so I'm actually going to apply a little bit more of this tinted lip balm. I'm going to apply the roller gloss. So cute. It says Colourpopland on it. I'm just going to apply a little bit of that. Ooh, nice and juicy. Yeah. That definitely has like a fruity scent. Everything in this collection. So, oh, I also forgot to mention, I did apply a little bit of a liner to my waterline. I used the cream gel liner that came out with the pastel collection. This one is Crybaby. It's like the lavender one. I just put like a little bit of that in my waterline just to add some pastelness to it. So yeah, let me dust this off and I'll give you guys my final thoughts. So this is the finished look. This look is so cute. You guys know I love like pastel, so I was so excited to play around with it. Let me give you guys my final thoughts on this collection. If we're being real, I say this with a lot of the very like big themed collections. I'm sure most of us here will probably pick up certain things because of packaging. I think the packaging on this entire collection is so cute and so well done. I love that it wasn't just like Candyland. I love that they made it like Colourpopland. The of everything is so cute and nostalgic, and I love it. Palette, I do like the palette. I think that there are some more wearable colors in here. I like that they threw in some like neutral shades in here as well, more like pinky mauvey shades, and then some pastel colors. I feel like you can still get a lot of use out of this collection even if you're not somebody that uses like pastels a lot. You could just kind of throw on some like pastel for like a pop of something. It's not my favorite palette ever, but I do like it and I think it's really cute, and the packaging is everything. I like these little like 10 pan palettes. Like we don't get a lot of these ones, but like the size of them, they're like a nice size. I like the pastels in here. I think even for being like such light pastels, I think, okay, I don't know why people are watering outside right now, so if you guys hear that, I'm sorry. But these are very like white based pastels, like at least for the yellow and green. So it might look ashy on certain skin tones. I'm not exactly sure, but I just want to let you guys know that. But I mean, overall, I think even like just packing them on, I think they were still pretty pigmented for being such light pastel colors, you know? I like the neutrals in here. I like the pinks in here as well, and that purple is really pretty. So this little face milk set is so cute, and the packaging is adorable on it. They did change up like the actual packaging of the face milks as well. If you don't have any of these, I would pick them up because they're really cute. Or if you need like a restock, they're really cute because they do say Colourpopland on them. And my favorite one is in here, which is the coconut one. If you guys don't have any of them, definitely pick them up. The blushes I really, really like. They're all really nice colors. I can definitely see myself getting use out of all three of them. Again, packaging is really adorable. Love the like pastel yellow packaging. I liked this blush even though I did apply blush before. I'm so sorry. I did it over the blush I had though. I can definitely see like the purpley tones in here, and I like the color of it. I've been like liking these like pinky purpley blushes for some reason. I usually never do, but also I know I'll probably get a lot of use out of Jolly. So pretty, and they smell so good. I feel like we haven't gotten any scented stuff like this, like Super Shock products, since the Halo Top collection. Glowing lip balms I do like. I will always take any tinted lip balms. You guys know tinted lip balms are my favorite thing ever. So I'm so excited that they have another formula of these. Colors in here are nice colors. They're all pretty wearable colors. The packaging on it is really cute. It's a pink, like a light baby pink color with some like candy canes all over it. It's roller gloss to kind of throw in your bag because it's really easy, and if you like nostalgic things, roller glosses are always really cute. Just a typical like kind of sheer gloss. So definitely say if you're also a tinted lip balm fan, I would definitely pick up these. I think they do have less pigment than like the Just a Tints. I have one right here. This one is Maui Wowie. You guys can see that the Just a Tints have a little bit more pigment to them, so these are a little bit more sheer than that. If you want something a little bit more sheer than the Just a Tints, then I would definitely maybe check out some of these. Biggest surprise to me, the Body Glitter or whatever it's called, the Pixie Puff Highlighter. This is actually a really pretty shade. I think it looks so nice like on the body. I actually will probably use this one a lot. I know that they came out with one, I forgot what collection it was, but I don't really ever use it. But this one, I also liked it on my cheeks. I don't think it's too glittery. And I think it's a nice shade. Packaging, again, I could say the packaging on everything in this collection is really nice and cute, and I don't know, I think this is so adorable. I love the little like cup in here, like the color of it. I like this baby blue color. Those are my thoughts on the entire collection. Obviously this entire collection is just really cute and fun and nostalgic, and everything, I mean, worked really well. I didn't have any issues with the palette blending or anything, so everything was good. We'll leave all the info and stuff down below in the description box. Leave me a comment down below if you guys are gonna pick anything up from this collection. What was your favorite thing? I'm here for the nostalgia, because I am. I love Candyland. I hope that this video was helpful for you guys. If you guys did like this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.